Hi, this is Lindsay Mason with Module 7. First off, the human resource frame. This is all based on the video we watched about the Bowman and Dale human resource framework and the assumptions they made. A human resource frame should be organized like a family. And just like a family, each organization is made up of individuals with different needs and different skills, and relationships are made between all members of the family or organization. The focus should be on attitude, skills, teamwork, and communication, and goals. The goal should be to align the organizational needs with the human needs. So basically that means that the organization needs need to be aligned with the human or staff needs as well. Some of the assumptions that were made is that organizations need to meet human needs first. Organizations need people just as much as people need the organization. And the people and the organization need to be a good fit. This ensures that people find meaning in their work, and the organization benefits from the energy and hard work people put into their work. Next up is my hierarchy structure of leadership. I first start here with me as a building leader or principal. This could also be administration, where it includes your principal and your assistant principal and things like that. Directly from the principal is the students. I'm a big believer that the students are the reason we are here. We would not be teachers, educators, principals, or anything without the students being here. The students are the sole reason we do what we do, and I believe they belong at the very top of this structure. Off of students, I have teachers and paras, as well as office staff. Starting with the teachers and paras, they are here because they are essential to running the school. Not only do they teach the kids, do they help the kids, they also can reach a variety of other people that some other organizations or staff cannot. So off of teachers and paras, I've put community and parents. Teachers can do a great deal of communication with parents just in their classroom, reaching out and things like that, as well as reaching out to the community. Teachers and paras can easily reach out, get people to come in from the community, or just simply communicating with the community and parents. And then off of the community, I have alumni, and this is because the community is someone that can reach out to the alumni or people that have gone to the school before. I've seen this done with Facebook groups, email groups, and things like that. Moving back down here, we had teachers and paras off of students. The next group off of students is office staff. Office staff is essential to running an office so smoothly. They do answer the phones, help with schedules, help with attendance and calling home about students and finding rides for students and things like that. And they also are great at communicating with the kitchen staff and the maintenance and custodial staff. The maintenance and custodial staff and kitchen staff do a great deal of things at the school. The kitchen staff helps, make sure our kids know what's for lunch and help them through the lunch line and things like that. And the maintenance and custodial keep the place clean. They keep it nice and they keep it ready for us to use. And the office can call at any moment and get help when students need help with things like the kitchen or something that was spilled and things like that custodial or maintenance could take care of. So again, every person in this structure is essential, and if groups aren't getting along with certain groups, this may need to be changed depending on the structure of your school, but this is how I feel it would fit best for my school and my beliefs. A way to make sure that your organization is running smoothly is to hire people that share the same values as your school or your district, or even just you as a principal, as well as being a good team player or, willing to use teamwork to help solve problems, and that they also truly believe that the students are the central reason we are here.